Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're taking a look over the Rhino Coffee Gear Pocket Scales. These are a simple yet great compact set of scales that are ideal to be used in a coffee travel kit, as they're constantly protected with the flip up lid, yet still large enough to brew an AeroPress coffee on. Now the max capacity to the pocket scales is 600 grams. What's impressive though is it features an accurate reading of down to 0.1 gram and uses grams and ounces as measurements in the different weighing modes. Now you can tear and zero off these scales too, so you can measure the net weight of something, which is obviously very handy for dosing out beans or brewing a filter coffee on. The scale can be calibrated too, which is really important, and this ensures the performance of the scale gives reliable readings throughout its lifetime, and it's recommended to calibrate your scales based on the frequency of use. Furthermore, there's a backlit LCD screen that's easily viewable during use, with an auto off function set at 3 minutes if left unattended to conserve power. And the scales come with 2 AAA batteries included. And that's the pocket scales from Rhino Coffee Gear for you. If you have any questions on these set of scales, then throw them in the comments below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen so you keep notified when we bring out new videos just like this one every week. If you like this video, hit like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.